Chapter 6. More on MSW logo. Introduction. Logo was developed in the late 1960s at Bolt Beranek and Newman Inc. in Cambridge, MA by W. Forsyth, D. Bobrow and S. Pappert. Its main feature is to learn programming with simple steps and directions. Logo is a computer language used to draw figures, type text and to do arithmetic calculations. What is Logo? Logo stands for Logic-Oriented Graphic-Oriented. It is one of the easiest computer programming languages used for drawing, doing calculations and printing the text. Logo uses a pen for drawing, which looks like a triangle known as turtle. Turtle. Turtle looks like a small triangle present in the center of the screen. It performs drawing and writing tasks. When turtle moves on the screen, it draws a line behind it. It shows the position on the screen where your instructions will be carried out. The pointed end of the turtle is called its head, and the wide end is called its tail. The turtle is like the shape of a triangle. Primitives. The turtle moves on the screen according to the instructions given to it, and these instructions are called commands or primitives. Each primitive makes turtle do some task. Using few primitives one after the other, you can do wide variety of tasks. These primitives or commands are English-like words and always written in text field. How to open MSW logo? To open MSW logo, 1. Click on Start button. 2. Click on Microsoft Windows logo. 3. Click on Microsoft Windows logo. MSW logo window. Logo screen consists of following two areas: Main screen, Commander window, Title bar, Menu bar, Drawing area, Turtle, Scroll bar, Main screen, Commander window. The Commander window is further divided into two sections. 1. Recall list box. 2. Command input box. Command buttons. Some command buttons used in MSW logo are given below. Execute button. It runs whatever is in the input box. It is the same as pressing the Enter key. Status button. It displays a status window that shows you what logo is up to. Pressing it a second time closes the window. Trace button. It enables tracing on all procedures. This makes it easier to debug and correct errors in your programs. Halt button. It stops logo from carrying out any further instructions. Reset button. This button is like the CS command. It clears the logo screen and sends the turtle home. Step button. It enables single stepping on all procedures. This is helpful to correct errors in your programs. Pause button. It temporarily suspends logo from running further instructions so that you can examine variables, make changes or whatever else you want to do in the program. Logo commands. Logo commands are known as primitives. These commands are used in drawing various shapes. Let us recall the various commands in logo. 1. Home. Home command brings turtle back to the center of the main screen. Example, home. Enter. 2. Forward. FD. Forward command moves the turtle forward while drawing a line. Example, FD 50. Enter. 3. Back. BK. Back command moves the turtle backward while drawing a line. Example, BK 80. Enter. 4. Left. LT. Left command turns the turtle to its left through the specified number of degrees. Example, LT 90. Enter. 5. Right. RT. Right commands turn the turtle to its right through the specified number of degrees. Example, RT 60. Enter. 6. Clear screen. CS. CS command erases all the drawings on the screen and clears the main screen and also brings the turtle to the center of the screen. Example, CS, enter. 7. Clear text, CT. It is used to clear the content of the text screen. Example, CT, enter. 8. Hide turtle, HT. HT command hides the display of the turtle. Example, HT, enter. 9. Show turtle, ST. ST command is used to display the turtle on the screen. Example, ST, enter. 10. Pen up, PU. The PU command lifts the turtle's pen up so that it does not draw a line while moving. Example, PU, enter. 11. Pen down, PD. The PD command puts the turtle's pen down so that it again starts drawing a line when it moves. It is given only after PU command has already been used. Example, PD, enter. Repeat command. Repeat command executes the set of instructions any specific number of times. This command is used in order to avoid repetition. You can also draw square, circle, polygons and many other designs using this command. Syntax: repeat n in angular bracket command. Note: number of repeats come first, with the commands to be repeated inside square brackets. Here n is the number of repetitions. Drawing a triangle. Repeat 3, FD 120, RT 240 in square brackets. Turtle will repeat the procedure thrice. Drawing a star. Repeat 5, FD 100, RT 144 in square brackets. Turtle will repeat the procedure 5 times. Drawing an octagon. Repeat 8, FD 50, RT 45 in square brackets. Turtle will repeat the procedure 8 times. Drawing circles. Circle. You can draw a circle using repeat command. A full circle is drawn using 360 degrees. Command. Repeat 60x into square bracket FD4 RT6. 6 is the y. The product of x and y should be 360 to form a circle. You can decrease x and increase y to make circles, but the product should come out to be 360. Repeat 360 FD2 RT1 in square bracket. 360 multiplied by 1 is equal to 360. Repeat 180 into square bracket FD2 RT2. 180 multiplied by 2 is equal to 360. Repeat 90 into square brackets FD2 RT4. 90 multiplied by 4 is equal to 360. To reduce the size of a circle, increase the number of steps in FD command and number of degrees in RT command. Grow circle using repeat command. Repeat 72 into square bracket FD2 RT5. Repeat 72 into square bracket FD4 RT5. Repeat 72 into square bracket FD6 RT5. Semicircle. In Logo, a semicircle is drawn using 180 degrees. Command. Repeat 180 into square bracket FD2 RT1. 180 multiplied by 1 is equal to 180. Print command. Print command helps in writing text or number on the logo screen. It takes only one input at a time. The input can be a number or text. PR is the short form of print command. For example, type the following command in the input box. Print 80, enter. The number 80 will be displayed as the output in the recall list box. Double quotes or square brackets is used to print any text like your name. For example, type the following commands in the input box. Print enjoy with starting double quote, print programming language, arithmetic in Logo. Logo provides the usual arithmetic operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, denoted by the symbols plus, minus, asterisk, slash. These symbols are known as operators. Each of these operations produces a result. Print command is used to perform arithmetic operations. Some commands are used to perform arithmetic operations without using the operator symbols. So, besides basic arithmetic operators, we can also work with mathematical functions in Logo and make our work easy. Print sum. Print sum command is used to add two numbers. It takes two inputs and both these inputs should be numbers. Example, print sum 10, 15. The output 25 is displayed in the next line. To add more than two numbers, the operator sum along with the numbers has to be written within round brackets. Example, print sum 10, 15, 5. The output 30 is displayed in the next line. Note, we can also display any message using underscore in between the words and enclosing the sentences in double quotes. Print difference. Print difference command is used to subtract two numbers. It takes two inputs and both these inputs should be example, print difference 30, 15. The output 15 is displayed in the next line. Print product. Print product command is used to multiply two numbers. It takes two inputs and both these inputs should be numbers. Example, print product 15, 6. The output 90 is displayed in the next line. Print quotient. Print quotient command divides the first number by the second and gives the quotient as the result. It also takes two inputs and both these inputs should be numbers. Example, print quotient 56, 7. The output 8 is displayed in the next line. Print remainder. Print remainder divides the first number by the second number and displays only the remainder on the screen. Example, print remainder 58, 7. In a nutshell. 1. Logo is a computer language used to draw figures, type text and to do arithmetic calculations. Logo stands for logic-oriented, graphic-oriented. 2. Turtle looks like a small triangle present in the center of the screen. 3. Home command brings turtle back to the center of the main screen. 4. CS command erases all the drawings on the screen and clears the main screen. 5. The PU command lifts the turtle's pen up while the PD command puts the turtle's pen down. 6. Repeat command runs the instruction list many times over. This command is used to avoid repetition. 7. Print command helps in writing text or number on the Logo screen. 8. You can perform arithmetic operations in Logo with the help of print command. The symbols used for performing mathematical operations are called operators. 1.